Right, C4, called regional paper, the old international papers, 2014, question 2. There's a trapezium rule bit to it, and we're going to do a proper integration with integration by parts. Here's a bit about the trapezium rule. There's this formula here, they give you in the formula book. H is B minus A over N, and some people think that the N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, the B and the A are just the A and the B up here. So we're sort of integrating between A and B. So the B minus A is all right. But you see there's a Y naught here, and that's the first Y value. These are the sort of the next Y values, Y1, Y2, and Y3. And the last Y value, the YN, is this one, which is Y4. So the N is 4, not 5. And it's really because you've got 5 Y values. You've just got 4 strips, or you could look at the difference between the X values, but the H is 0.5. 2 take away 0, 2 take away 0 divided by 4. So the area is a half times by the H, and then the first and the last Y values plus twice all the other ones. I would do this, add the 2 and the naught, and then multiply by the half and the 0.5, should get 11.25. The next part says use calculus, showing each time you're working to obtain an exact value for the area, give your answer in its simplest form. So we're going to integrate 2 minus x e to the 2x between 0 and 2. Here's the integration by parts. You get that in the formula book. The u is going to be the 2 minus x, because that's what I'm going to differentiate, because it'll end up being simpler. The dv over dx in the formula is e to the 2x. So if I differentiate the u, I get minus 1, and integrate the e to the 2x to get the v, I get a half e to the 2x. So this is going to be the u times the v, 2 minus x times by this, half 2 minus x e to the 2x, then minus, then the v times du by dx. Du by dx is minus 1, so it's these two multiplied together, so it's just minus a half e to the 2x. Then integrating this, e to the 2x, remember, was a half, so this is going to be a quarter. I've got a minus and a minus, so it's just plus a quarter e to the 2x. I think I'll put the limits in of 0 to 2, so the area in all this with the limits of 2 and 0. Putting 2 in, this term is 0, so there's a quarter e to the power of 4. I'm going to put 0 in. This term is just 1. That's a half times 2, which is just 1. So this term is 1. This will be a quarter times 1, so it's a quarter. So I've got 1 and a quarter. So I'm going to be taking away 5 quarters.